How to delete Snapchat account permanently. So if you want to delete your Snapchat account permanently, then what you have to do is open up your Snapchat, and after that on the upper left corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile. Before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And on the upper right corner you will have your settings icon. Tap on settings, and here if you scroll down under the support option you will find I need help. Tap on that, and here if you scroll down you will find managing my account. Tap on managing my account, and now you will find an option which says delete or reactivate my account. Tap on that, and then here you will have two options: how do I delete my Snapchat account and how do I reactivate my Snapchat account. So we are here to delete account, right? So we should tap on how do I delete my Snapchat account, and then here if you scroll down you will find accounts portal, which is written in the blue ink. So tap on that accounts portal, and here you will have delete account page. So here enter your username and then enter your password, and after entering tap on continue, and then your account will be deleted. I would like to add one thing: before deleting your Snapchat account, the Snapchat will deactivate your account for 30 days, and after 30 days of deactivating your account, if you didn't log in to your account, then your account will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So that's it guys, that's how you delete a Snapchat account permanently, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.